Shenzhen BXD Machining Company Limited was founded in 2010 and located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. We specialize in CNC machining services, sheet metal fabrication, rapid prototyping, and low-volume manufacturing. At BXD, CNC is one of the most competitive and biggest advantage services. We provide a variety of precision CNC machining services including milling, turning, EDM, wire EDM, surface grinding, and much more. We can provide prototypes and small volume machine parts in short lead time and high quality. We also offer sheet metal fabrication such as laser cutting, bending, and riveting. Do you need reliable manufacturing services that can produce low-volume parts in short lead time and high quality? BXD is your trusted manufacturing partner.